Environment Management at Sikandarpur Batching Plant. Sikandarpur Batching Plant is situated approximately 10 kilometers from Khurja Junction. This batching plant is one of the major plants of EDFCC Lot 302 project, which extends from Khurja to Dadri. The batching plant is surrounded by 6 meters of blue corrugated GI sheets in the downwind direction and 3 meters in the upwind direction. The EHS team of Lot 302 is passionate about maintaining clean and green environment in their area of operation. Every aspect of plant activity which may cause pollution is minutely monitored, and consequently adequate steps are taken to minimize it. There are various green initiatives which have been implemented in the plant. The plant has installed emission control devices in DG sets to control stack emission, and regular water sprinkling is practiced on whole road to minimize dispersion of dust. The plant has also a defined tire wash area. For conservation of water, a sedimentation tank has been constructed at site and is properly barricaded. The wastewater is collected in the sedimentation tank, and upon sedimentation, the clean water is pumped out and used for dust suppression at site. We firmly believe that waste is not a waste until we waste it, and so always try to manage all concrete waste generated at site itself. In this context, many green benches and wonder parks have been constructed at site, which not only allow us to enhance the aesthetic aspect of the site, but also enable us to use the generated concrete waste in the site itself. We at Lot 302 have undertaken Green Belt Development Program in and around plant area. The development of Green Belt will not only contribute extensively to the aesthetic aspect, but will also pave a very long way in serving as the greatest sink for air and noise pollution. To achieve such an initiative, an in-house nursery along with a compost pit has been established. In this, the seeds of the local plants are collected and manually grown in the nursery. Upon a definite period of time, the seeds develop into healthy saplings, and these saplings are then planted across the tract. The organic manure or compost is then applied to provide nutrients for proper growth and development of the plants. Within years, these plants will develop into trees which will act as sink for air pollution and noise barrier along the track. Also, the plant firmly believe in the use of renewable energy, and in this regard, it is surrounded by 6 number of solar LED lights, and the entire premises is equipped with 100% LED light to minimize energy consumption and reduce carbon footprint. Thank you.